Paano ba natin malalaman kung first release ang ating Master Grade Turn A Gundam? We'll find out in this video. So tara, let's start. Just to give you a little history about this model kit. So before Turn A Gundam na Master Grade was born, nauna munang i-release ang 1/100 na Turn A Gundam ng 1999. So fast forward after 1999, nilabas ang Master Grade Turn A Gundam ng 2007. And just to inform you guys that Master Grade Turn A Gundam was the first model that was released in the correct century. So paano ba natin malalaman kung first release ang ating Master Grade Turn A Gundam? So malalaman natin to kapag iba yung itsura ng MG or Master Grade logo sa box art ng model na to. And para naman sa loob or sa content sa model na to, same lang yung makukuha nyo or same result yung makukuha nyo dito sa model kit na to compared sa mga reissue na nilabas na MG or Master Grade Turn A Gundam. So that's it. I hope na itong video na to ay nakatulong sa inyong hobby needs. Ako sa Silverge na nagsasabing #collect, inspire, repeat.